Hello. In this video, I will share with you Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G review, a mid-range marvel. I trusted that this video is useful for all of you to select a better smartphone for using. Please enjoy watching this video as following. Realme, known for its commitment to delivering quality smartphones at affordable prices, has once again raised the bar. Its latest release, the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G, is in our hands. Packed with impressive features and boasting a stunning design, this mid-range smartphone aims to captivate users and challenge the notion that flagship phones are the only ones worth considering. In this review, we will delve into the various aspects of the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G, including its design, display, camera, performance, battery life, and more. By the end of this video, you will have a clear understanding of whether this smartphone is the right choice for you. 1. Realme 11 Pro Plus specifications. 6.7-inch, 2412 by 1080 pixels, Full HD plus curved AMOLED screen with 120 Hz refresh rate. 360 Hz touch sampling rate, 1260 Hz instant touch sampling rate. 2160 Hz PWM dimming, 100% DCI, P3 color gamut, up to 950 nits brightness. Octa-core, 2 by 2.6 GHz Cortex-A78 plus 6 by 2 GHz Cortex-A55 CPUs, MediaTek Dimensity 7056 nm processor with Mali G68MC4 GPU. 8GB/12 GB LPDDR4X RAM with 128 GB/256 GB, UFS 3.1, storage. Dual SIM, Nano plus Nano. Android 13 with Realme UI 4.0. 200 MP 1/1.4 Samsung HP3 sensor, f/1.69 aperture, 8 MP ultra-wide camera with f/2.2 aperture. 2 MP 4 cm macro camera with f/2.4 aperture, LED flash. 32 MP front-facing camera with Sony sensor, f/2.45 aperture. In-display fingerprint sensor. USB Type-C audio, stereo speakers, Dolby Atmos, high-res audio. Dimensions: 161.6 by 73.9 by 8.2 mm, black, /8.7 mm, beige and green, weight, 183 g, black, /189 g, beige and green. 5G SA/NSA, dual 4G VoLTE, Wi-Fi 6 802.11 AX, 2.4 GHz plus 5 GHz, Bluetooth 5.2, dual frequency GPS/GLONASS/Beidou, USB Type-C. 5000 mAh, typical, battery with 67W, Realme 11 Pro, /100W, Realme 11 Pro Plus. 2. Design, a premium aesthetic. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G sets itself apart with its premium and eye-catching design. Collaborating with former Gucci designer Matteo Menotto, the company has created a phone that exudes style and sophistication. The sleek metal frame, curved panel, and distinctive leather panel on the back immediately catch the eye. The leather finish not only adds a touch of luxury but also provides a secure grip. This ensures that the phone never slips from your hand. The back panel remains free from smudges and fingerprints, maintaining a polished appearance. One of the standout features of the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G's design is the prominent circular optics module on the rear panel. Housing 3 lenses in a single line, with an LED flash positioned above, this setup is accentuated by a golden ring at its center. The Realme branding is discreetly positioned at the bottom of the back panel. On the right edge of the device, you'll find the power button and volume rockers. The bottom edge is home to the SIM tray, microphone, Type-C port, and speaker grill. The front of the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G boasts a visually pleasing 6.7-inch curved panel. With minimal bezels and a small punch hole cutout for the selfie at the top, this smartphone offers an immersive viewing experience. The curved edges and vegan leather back panel provide a comfortable in-hand feel. Although the phone weighs slightly more than its predecessor, it feels lightweight and easy to handle. 3. Display, simply stunning. The 11 Pro Plus 5G features a 6.7-inch FHD Plus curved AMOLED panel, offering stunning graphics and vibrant colors. With a 120 Hz refresh rate and a 100% DCI-P3 color gamut, this display offers a captivating experience. Whether you're watching videos, playing games, or scrolling through social media, the display of the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G brings content to life. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G's display also supports HDR, with a wide range of colors and a billion-color reproduction. However, the peak brightness of 950 nits may pose some challenges when viewing the screen under direct sunlight. Nevertheless, the panel performs exceptionally well in most lighting conditions, providing sharp and vibrant graphics. 4. Camera, a photographer's delight. One of the standout features of the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G is its impressive optics setup. Equipped with a 200MP primary sensor, accompanied by an 8MP ultra-wide sensor and a 2MP macro lens, this smartphone delivers exceptional photography capabilities. The 200MP primary sensor, utilizing the Samsung HP3 sensor with an aperture of f/1.69 and optical image stabilization, captures stunning shots with exceptional clarity, intricate details, and accurate color reproduction. The camera excels in producing an impressive dynamic range, allowing for well-balanced shots even in challenging lighting conditions. In low-light environments, the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G's camera performs admirably. It can capture shots with a variety of hues that look natural. The lighting effects are well captured, accurately depicting both visible and reflected light. The image sensor also excels in capturing details, whether it's the face of a subject or the subtle shading of creases in clothing. 5. Performance, smooth and powerful. Powered by an octa-core MediaTek Dimensity 7050 chipset, the 11 Pro Plus 5G delivers smooth and powerful performance. With up to 12 GB of RAM and up to 1 TB of onboard storage, this device can handle all your daily tasks with ease. Whether it's web browsing, social media browsing, multitasking, or gaming, the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G performs admirably. Speaking of gaming, this smartphone proves to be a capable smartphone for both casual and demanding games. With an X-axis linear motor and a vapor chamber cooling system, the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G ensures a smooth gaming experience even under demanding conditions. The cooling mechanism effectively regulates the device's temperature, preventing overheating and maintaining a stable gaming performance. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G runs on Android 13-based Realme UI 4.0. This offers a user-friendly interface with a range of features and customization options. While the device does come with some pre-installed apps, certain bloatware can be removed, providing a more streamlined user experience. The device also features an in-display fingerprint sensor, which is quick and responsive, ensuring secure access to your phone. The speakers perform well, with a clear and audible sound, whether you're watching videos or listening to music. However, it's worth noting that the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G does not have an audio jack, which may inconvenience some users. 6. Battery, long-lasting and fast charging. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G packs a 5000 mAh battery, providing long-lasting power to keep you connected throughout the day. With the support of 100W fast charging, this phone offers rapid recharging capabilities. In just 10 minutes of charging, the battery can reach 50%, and in under 30 minutes, it can be fully recharged. Even with heavy usage, the battery of the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G can easily last a full day, making it a reliable companion for all your activities. 7. Verdict: a competitive mid-range option. The Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G presents itself as a compelling choice for individuals seeking an appealing design and excellent performance within the mid-range segment. Obviously, it may not offer the most powerful chipset available or include Gorilla Glass protection. However, it delivers a competitive package overall. The attractive design, curved display, impressive camera capabilities, smooth performance, and long-lasting battery make the 11 Pro Plus 5G a worthy contender in the mid-range smartphone market. If you prioritize design and imaging capabilities, and are looking for an affordable yet powerful smartphone, the Realme 11 Pro Plus 5G is definitely worth considering. With its remarkable features and competitive pricing, this smartphone offers great value for money. Thank you for watching. See you next videos.